the broken camera in a quiet neighborhood in Ohio lived Lily, a 14-year-old girl with a big dream. She wanted to be a photographer. She didn't have much, but she did have one prized possession, her late father's old camera. It wasn't fancy, scratched in places, and sometimes the shutter stuck. But to Lily, it was priceless. Every day after school, she would take pictures of sunsets, her little brother playing baseball, or the neighbor's dog chasing butterflies. She said the camera let her freeze happiness so she could keep it forever. The accident one chilly afternoon. While running to capture a shot of autumn leaves falling, Lily tripped. The camera flew from her hands, crashing against the sidewalk. She scrambled to pick it up, but the lens was cracked and it no longer clicked. Her heart broke. It wasn't just a camera, it was her connection to her dad, her dream, her safe place. For days, Lily walked around empty-handed. At school, she doodled pictures instead of snapping them. Her mom noticed the change, but didn't say much. Money was already tight, and fixing the camera was impossible. An unexpected gift one Saturday morning, the doorbell rang. Outside stood Mr. Harris, the elderly neighbor who often saw Lily snapping photos in the yard. He held a small box in his hands. "I heard about your camera," he said kindly. "I can't replace what it meant to you, but maybe this will help you keep capturing the world." Inside the box was a second-hand digital camera. It wasn't brand new, but it worked. Tears welled up in Lily's eyes. "But why?" she whispered. Mr. Harris smiled. "Because someone once did the same for me when I was your age. Dreams shouldn't end because of broken things." A new beginning with her new camera. Lily began taking pictures again. But this time, she didn't just shoot for herself. She started sharing her photos with others. She captured birthday parties for neighbors who couldn't afford photographers. She took portraits of families at church. She even made a collage of the community and gifted it to Mr. Harris. Her photos became more than pictures. They became stories, memories, and hope. The lesson years later, when Lily grew into a professional photographer, she kept her dad's broken camera on her desk. To her, it was a reminder. Life will break things you love, but kindness can repair what really matters: your spirit, your hope, your dream. Moral of the story: sometimes the things we lose open the door for something even greater. Dreams don't break when objects do. Kindness can carry them forward.